Okay, this is a glass sliding door lock. It's called Lock-It. Okay, I really like these, and I'm going to show you how to install it. Okay, in the package you have some shims, screws, and mollies. The lock. Okay, pull off the top and the bottom, and then this slides out. Now you look down the edge, they give you two of these. One that has a little curve there, it's for a different type of frame, or this one. Okay, so it gives you two different styles. Okay, choose which one you're going to use. This metal is just flat square, so we're going to use the flat square one. And we're going to put that in here. Now, I have learned that the screws they provide you aren't the greatest. I've had them snap off on me. So I got some self-tappers so that I don't have to drill first. But if you want to, go ahead and drill first and then use the screws they gave you if you don't have anything else. Okay, once you have this in place, go ahead and shut the door. Okay, now to put this on, you have to remove this piece of plastic. Okay, then it exposes where you're going to be drilling. Okay. Okay, now with your door all the way closed, put this in. Put that in where it's going to be, and it's going to give you where the holes are going to get drilled. Okay. Drill the holes. Okay, once you have the screws in, go ahead and snap the plastic back in place. Okay. It locks, very secure. And that's it. That's how you install the Lock-It. All right, Building with Papa. Like, subscribe, and ring that bell. Give me a thumbs up, and I'll see you on the next one. That's locking it, and this is unlocking. Pull the bottom down, pull the top up, and it opens right up.